All right. So I about messed up. Very limited time, especially when you become like a parent and all that good stuff. So I come out here to just throw some stuff together because there's just a little bit of stuff that needs to be tidied. And I figure we'll do timing. So I've already done one bank. And that's when I thought about this would be like cool or whatever. People are gonna get super like paranoid, especially with like 2 chains. It's not really that hard. Dual overhead cam kind of as a whole isn't really that difficult. It does take a little finessing. So I'll kind of show you that. There's no like $1 million way. Like if it doesn't go exactly, you know, you can kind of move the crank as you need it to make things line up. So I will, I already have the guides on, no tensioner arm, but I have a guide on and I already have it marked. Well, it's already marked. It's already got the position that it needs to be. We're working on the right bank. Sometimes people find it a little easier to like mark the R so you can like clearly see it, but I can kind of see it pretty good. So, all right, so there's already some pretty good information on how to time these. So this is kind of short and sweet, but I will tell you something that got me a little confused. Your crank sprocket or gear, whatever you want to call it, it does have an orientation. So you've got a longer part of the snout here versus on the back. This longer part of the snout is going to stick out. If you don't know for sure, see that slot? That's got to face out. That's your timing mark for that chain right there. See the color chain matches that gear. So that's where the bottom of the chain is going to go. So again, the longer part of the snout. And you put it at about 9 o'clock, roughly. Colored link. You see that? You can see these links are a different shade. So these are brown, and this has got kind of a black tint to it. You're gonna line that up on the R. So there we go. Right? So we're in time there. And if we have to, we can spin it to make that timing kind of go wherever we want it. And so I'm way off here. So the whole thing needs to go that way. And so we've got a lock on it, right? Eighth-inch drill bit. I've already cleaned them. And we're lined up there. So that's the timing on the dual overhead cam. I've got a video showing how to time your phasers with the secondary chain. When you're reusing like all your timing components, it's a little harder because the new ones come with a clip. So you can set everything up, pull the clip, grenade pin, as some people call it. And that's what locks all your timing in. When you reuse your stuff, I have some from another dual overhead cam that fit these. Your actual main tensioner, but your secondary tensioner. I don't have any of that. So those fought me pretty good. But yeah, so we're good. I'm gonna do a final clean, some brake cleaner, some compressed air, just clean all this up. I'll stick the oil pan on, and yeah, we're getting close to tinning it completely out.